Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the auxiliary battery on a Mercedes Benz CLA 250. First, prioritize safety by wearing protective gloves and eyewear. The auxiliary battery is typically located in the trunk or sometimes under the passenger footwell. Once located, carefully disconnect the negative terminal first, followed by the positive terminal. This crucial step prevents electrical shorts and ensures your safety throughout the process. Now that the terminals are disconnected, you can proceed with removing the old battery. Look for any retaining brackets, clamps, or covers that secure the battery in its compartment. Carefully unfasten these and set them aside. The auxiliary battery can be surprisingly heavy, often weighing over 20 pounds, so lift it with care to avoid injury. Before installing the new one, inspect the battery tray for any signs of corrosion and clean it thoroughly. With the old battery removed and the tray cleaned, it's time to install your new auxiliary battery. Carefully lower the new battery into its designated spot, ensuring it sits flush and securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure. This order is important to prevent sparks and ensure proper electrical flow. After installing the new battery, start your Mercedes CLA 250 to confirm everything is working correctly. Pay attention to the dashboard for any warning lights related to the electrical system or battery. If all looks good, you've successfully replaced your auxiliary battery. And speaking of upgrades, why not upgrade your home cleaning? Check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter clean. You can find a link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.